Want those clean studio-style white renders in Blender? Don't waste time changing materials one by one. Here's the instant method. Go to View Layer Properties, open Material Override, and assign a simple white material. Boom! Every object in your scene switched to white instantly. Perfect for clear renders, lights tests, and clean previews. Fast and clean. Working with multiple lights and forgetting which one does what. Yeah, that gets messy fast, especially in solid view. You could rename every light, but let's be honest, nobody wants to do that. Here is the easier solution. Open the Viewport overlay menu and simply enable light colors. Now all your lights show their actual color directly in solid view, making it way easier to understand your lighting setup at a glance. Quick toggle, huge clarity boost. Is your Blender scene getting heavy and slowing everything down? Too many high poly models, texture or subdivision can really kill performance. Here's the super easy fix. Go to Render Properties and open the Simplify tab. From here, you can quickly limit things like subdivision level, particle count, and texture resolution. This instantly makes your viewport smoother and also give you much faster preview renders without destroying your original quality.